Hi everyone, welcome to A Square Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss about rank of a matrix. The rank of A, the rank of A is defined as the maximum. The rank of A is defined as the maximum of the orders, of the non-singular square submatrix of A. Non-singular of A. So we take here maximum order of non-singular submatrices. We take here, clear? For example, we take here 1 0 0 1. So order of this matrix is nothing but 2 rows and 2 columns. DTA we find out here, DTA. Okay, DTA equals to, that is nothing but determinant of A, that is mod A, is equals to AD minus BC, 1 into 1 1 minus 0, that equals to 1. So this is not equals to 0. So that non-singular matrix, this is. Of order 2. So for order 2, that is the maximum order. So that rank of A we write now. Rank of A is equals to 2. Okay. So one more example we take here. A equals to 1 2 3 2 3 4 0 1 2 0 1 2. Okay. So we find out the determinant of this one. This is 3 rows and 3 columns. So det A equals to, we write here det A equals to, so plus minus plus, already determinant of this one also we find out here. We find out here as usual same method. So first, according to the first row, plus 1 of, we write here, minus 2 of, and plus 3 of, we write here. Okay, we can fill up the bracket values now. How to fill up here? Except to 1 and except to row, 1 is in first row and column, this column, except this row and this column, remaining 3 4 1 2, that is in the form of AD, ABCD, and AD form, AD minus BC, we can apply AD minus BC. 3 into 2 6 minus 4 into 1 4. A into D AD, 3 into 2 6, minus BC, B into C BC, that is nothing 4 into 1 4. Okay, next minus 2 is there. Minus 2 is in first row, second column, except that row 2 4 0 2 is there. Again apply AD, 2 into 2 4, minus BC, 4 into 0 0. Now third one. So what is third one? 3 is in, again first row, third column, except that row. So we get 2 into 1 2, minus 3 into 0 0, we get here. So 1 into 6 minus 4 is 2, minus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2, we get here. So that is 2 minus 6, sorry 8, minus 8 plus 3 to the 6. So we get here 8 minus 8, that is 0. So this is singular matrix of order. This is singular matrix of order 3. So don't we take here, now we take submatrix of this matrix. So submatrix of order 3 by 3 matrix is nothing but, we take a 2 by 2 matrix. Take any 2 by 2 matrix that value is not equals to 0. Then the rank of that matrix is, we take an order of submatrix. Okay, so what is order of submatrix? That is nothing but maybe 2 we take here. So we take any matrix, now any submatrix of A. Of A is equals to B. Let us take that equals to, we take here any row and column we are deleting. So square matrix we take here. So I think 2, 3, 3, 4. Okay. So first column and third row we are deleting. So what we get here? 2 into 4, 8 minus 3 3s are 9. So minus 1 we get here. That is not equals to 0. Now non-singular matrix we got here. Non-singular matrix of order 2. Clear? So what is the maximum order? And non-singular matrix of order 1 also we get here. But here what is the maximum non-singular matrix order? That is nothing but 2. So the rank of matrix A is 2 variety. Okay. So most important one, this one example 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So all ones are there. So rank also ones here. How to find out here? So let us take A equals to this one. Okay. Determinant of A we find out here first of all. Why? Because rank, in the finding of rank, so that will be non-singular matrix or singular matrix. First of all we verify. Okay. So how to find out to non-singulars or singular? So determinant is equal 0, that is singular matrix. Not equal 0, that is non-singular matrix. Clear? So that implies det A is equals to plus minus plus again. So 1 of minus 1 of plus 1 of. Now thereafter we fill up the blanks here. Okay. So 1 is in first row and first column, except that row 1 minus 1 we get here. Here also 1 minus 1. Here also 1 minus 1 we get here. So 1 of 0 minus 1 of 0 plus 1 of 0. So that is nothing but 0. That is equals to 0 we get here. So the value is nothing but 0. So this is singular matrix. Singular matrix of order 3. Okay. Now we take here submatrix of 3 by 3 matrix. That is nothing but submatrix of A is B. We take here B equals to, we take here any row, any column, we get here like this here. So again we find out AD minus BC, 1 minus 1, that equals to 0. So determinant of B, that implies determinant of B is equals to 1 minus 1, that is also 0. This is also singular matrix of order 2. So take any 2 by 2 matrix, that value, that determinant is equal 0. So that's why that is also all our singular matrix we get here. So we go to order 3, order 2 completed, we go to order 1. So order 1 means here we take a submatrix of A, that equals to C. We take only one element. So determinant of this one is nothing but 1, that is not equals to 0. Determinant of this one is nothing but mod C, that equals to 1, that is not equals to 0 of order. So this is also non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix of order 1. So what is the maximum order here? That is nothing but 3, 2, 1 is there. So these two are all singular matrix, but this is only one non-singular matrix. That's why rank of A is 1. Okay. ఇక్కడ ర్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఏ అనేది 1 అనేది ఎట్లా అవుతుంది అంటే 3 by 3 మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఉన్నది, 3 by 3 మ్యాట్రిక్స్కి డిటర్మినెంట్ 0 అయింది కాబట్టి సింగిల్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ సబ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ తీసుకుంటే సబ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ కూడా మనకు అన్ని కూడా మళ్ళీ 1 ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి సబ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ తీసుకున్నా కానీ 1 1 వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ డిటర్మినెంట్ కూడా 0 అవుతుంది కాబట్టి సింగులర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ అన్ని ఏ సబ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ తీసుకున్నా కానీ మనకి ఇదే వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. కాబట్టి దానికంటే సబ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ తీసుకుంటే మళ్ళీ ఆర్డర్ ఒకటి తగ్గించుకుంటే ఇక్కడ 3 by 3, 2 by 2 అండ్ 1 by 1 ఒకటి ఉంటుంది. ఇక మిగిలింది 1 by 1 కాబట్టి 1 తీసుకుంటే determinant of that one is nothing but 1 we get here. So that is not equals 0. Now non-singular matrix of order 1 we get here. So that's why rank of A is nothing but 1.